In this video, we will build a complete e-commerce website using WooCommerce and Elementor. For this tutorial, I am choosing theme Hello Commerce. It is from Elementor. You can choose any. Once you select the theme, go to the plugin and search for WooCommerce. This one you need to install and activate it. Now, as you install the plugin, you will be redirected towards Setup Wizard. So here you just basically add your store information and all. So I am running this wizard. It set up my store. I am just starting my business. You can add details about your store, location, email ID. You can also select extra free features. For now, I don't want it. I'm just hiding this. Now let's run a setup wizard. For now, you will find a store coming soon because we need to finish this step. So first is add your products. Now, as you install the plugin, you will find this menu item on left, WooCommerce, products, payments, and all that. Now, here I'm going to products. You can add new products. So, if I go here, you will find all this kind of products you can sell. So, depends on your product, you need to select the type. So, for now, to see the basic setup, I'm just adding any random products. So let's say let's go with the clothing business. So I am adding men's shirt. Here comes description. Below we have product data. So these are the different product type we can select. For example, if you have if your product has variations like sizing, color, then you can also go for variable products. But to see the setup, we are just selecting the simple product. You can also select it is a virtual or downloadable. So if it is a digital product, then you can go for downloadable. Now here I'm adding, let's say, random price. Inventory, let's keep it in a stock. We might check all this option in later videos. So this is a simple setting. Next is a short description. Now let's add a new category. So this product belongs to man category. We don't have a product gallery image. Let's add just one simple product image. So that's our product has been added. So that's our first step. Now let's set up payments. For payment, I'm adding temporary cash on delivery. I'm also adding direct bank transfer. Now next is a customize your store. So you can start designing. You can also include ready-made themes. We are doing this with Elementor in later stage, so I am skipping this. Now next is a collect sales tax. Now here you configure your tax rates. Now here you will find in tax option, you will find all these standard rates are default and additional tax classes you can add. So here I have defined zero tax rates and here in tax option I have selected my shipping tax class zero tax. So it is just temporary setup. You can select as per your need. Now we have completed all steps. Now let's launch our store. Now we have completed our store setup. Here you will, if you go onto the pages, then you will also find e-commerce related pages ready. Then for designing, I'm using Elementor Builder, so we can use Theme Builder to customize our pages and all. If you go here, WooCommerce setting and products, you will find our shop page is a shop by default. So let's see the preview. So this is the shop page. For now, we are seeing a default basic functionality. We will enhance it later with upcoming videos. So that's it for today's video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.